Hello everyone. Today we come back again to English lesson. Halo semuanya, hari ini kita akan kembali lagi ke pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Today we will learn new topic. It is about preposition. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar pelajaran baru yaitu tentang preposition, yaitu preposisi ya. Okay. The very first time you may open the textbook. Pertama kali kalian boleh buka buku paket. It is on page 42, halaman 42. Okay. I will read for you first. Number 1. In front of. In front of artinya di depan. The hospital is in front of the bank. Rumah sakit di depan bank. Number 2, beside. Beside artinya di samping. The motorcycle is beside the car. Sepeda motor berada di samping mobil. Okay, next. Number 3, behind. Behind artinya di belakang. The dog is behind Peter. Anjing berada di belakang Peter. Between. Between is di antara. Mary is between her mother and father. Mary berada di antara ibunya dan ayahnya. Okay, next we go to page 43. Where is the car? The car is between post office and bank. Where is the dog? The dog is behind motorcycle. Where is the hospital? The hospital is beside zoo, beside the zoo. Where is the trishaw? The trishaw is in front of the car. Where is Charlie's house? Charlie's house is behind the bookshop. Where is the school? The school is between the university and hospital. Where is the teacher? The teacher is in front of the class. Where is the man? The man is beside the White House. Where is the bus? The bus is behind the truck. Where is the market? The market is beside my house. Okay. Di mana mobil itu? Number 1 ya. Mobil itu berada di antara kantor pos dan bank. Number 2. Where is the dog? Di mana anjing itu? Anjing itu berada di belakang sepeda motor. Where is the hospital? Di mana rumah sakit itu? The hospital is beside the zoo. Rumah sakit itu berada di samping kebun binatang. Where is the trishaw? Di mana becak itu? Becak itu berada di depan mobil. Where is Charlie's house? Di mana rumah Charlie? Rumah Charlie berada di belakang toko buku. Where is the school? Di mana sekolah itu? Sekolah itu berada di antara universitas dan rumah sakit. Where is the teacher? Di mana guru itu? Guru itu berada di depan kelas. Where is the man? Di mana lelaki itu? Lelaki itu berada di sebelah rumah putih. Where is the bus? Di mana bus itu? Bus itu berada di belakang truk. Where is the market? Di mana pasar itu? Pasar itu berada di samping rumah saya. Okay, from here you can know that between, behind, beside, in front, ini semua kita sebut sebagai preposition. Ya, jadi di sini kita menyebutnya sebagai preposition. Okay, next. Now open page 44, halaman 44. You know behind, right? Behind is di belakang. Beside is di samping. Number 1. Husna is sitting bla 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 Joko. Husna duduk titik-titik Joko. What is the answer? Yes, beside, di samping ya. Husna duduk di samping Joko. Number 2, in front of. In front of is di depan. Between is di antara. Okay, the car is blah 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 2 buildings. Mobil itu titik-titik 2 bangunan, yaitu bank dan post office. Buildingsnya yaitu bank dan post office. Jadi, so what is the answer? Yeah, the answer is between. So the answer, the car is between 2 buildings. Next, number 3. The teacher is speaking blah 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 the class. The teacher is speaking blah 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 the class. Behind is di belakang. In front of di depan. What is the answer? Yes, the teacher is speaking in front of the class. Guru itu sedang berbicara di depan kelas. Next, number 4. Ferry is walking blah 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 Dudi. Ferry sedang berjalan titik-titik Dudi. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is behind. So, Ferry is walking behind Dudi. Next, we go to page 45. Reading. My city. My city is not too big. There are many buildings in my city. My school is beside the stadium. The city park is in front of my school. The bridge is between my school and the city park. The library is behind my school. I love my city. My city itu kota saya. My city is not too big. Kota saya tidak terlalu besar. There are many buildings in my city. Ada banyak bangunan di kota saya. My school is beside the stadium. Sekolah saya berada di sebelah stadion. So this one ya, my school. This one the stadium. Jadi sekolah saya berada di sebelah stadion. The city park is in front of my school. Taman kota berada di depan sekolah saya. Ini adalah taman kota, city park. Berada di depan sekolah saya. The bridge is between my school and the city park. Jembatan berada di antara sekolah saya dan taman kota. The library is behind my school. Perpustakaan berada di belakang sekolah saya. This one, the school ya, the library is behind, di belakang. I love my city. Saya menyukai kota saya. Okay, let's answer the questions below. Number 1. The school is beside. Sekolah berada di sebelah. The bridge or the stadium? Yes, the stadium. So the answer is the stadium. Number 2. The city park is in front of. Taman kota berada di depan. The school or bus shelter? Yes, the answer is the school. Number 3. The bridge is between blah 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 and the city park. Jembatan berada di antara titik-titik dan taman kota. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is the school. Okay, students, for page 46 untuk halaman 46, this one about the city. Have zoo, hospital, library, bus shelter, city park, market, SD Harapan Bangsa, it means this is school. Stadium, bookstore, cinema. Okay. This one, what do you have in the city? Jadi apa yang ada di kota? Now you have to do 1 until 10. Jadi yang harus kalian kerjakan yaitu 1 sampai 10. Okay, this one just now do not have is ya. Ini tadi tidak ada is, Miss sudah tambahkan is. And then this one, the behind one empty ya. Tadi ini di belakang kosong, ini Miss sudah tambahkan. So, you have to fill ya. Kalian isi by using beside, behind. You fill by using beside, behind, between, in front of. Okay, this one later you do in your exercise book ya. Ini nanti kalian kerjakan di buku latihan. Later Miss will take picture. Miss akan foto, jadi kalian lebih gampang untuk mencatatnya. Yang hanya perlu kalian tulis hanya ininya saja. Gambar tidak perlu digambar. Okay. Okay, next page 47. Okay, I will read for you first. Let's go see the tiger. Where is it? Next to the camels. Then we can see the orangutan. Where is the orangutan? It is between the giraffe and elephant. Okay, let's go. Mari kita pergi melihat harimau. Di mana harimau itu? Next to the camel berada di sebelah unta. Then we can see the orangutan. Kemudian kita bisa melihat orangutan. Where is the orangutan? Di mana orangutan itu? It is between the giraffe and elephant. Ia berada di antara jerapah dan gajah. Okay, let's go. Okay, baiklah, mari kita pergi. And now this one you also have to do in your exercise book. Dan ini juga perlu kalian buat di buku latihan. Hanya 4 soal, only 4 numbers. This one you don't need to write. The text ya, textnya tidak perlu ditulis lagi. The dialogue you don't need to write. You only write this. Hanya tulis number 1, where are the children? You choose ya, at the cinema or at the zoo. So today you only have 2 activities ya. Hari ini hanya punya 2 tugas, yaitu page 46 and page 47. That's all for today, students. Oh, besides that, Miss also will give you some notes ya. Selain itu, Miss juga akan kasih kalian catatan. You write in your notebook. Kalian tulis di buku catatan. That's all for today, students. Bye-bye everyone. See you back next week.